Yes, my people, I'm Major Mackerel and OneKnockTV. You know, OneKnock are the best of them. The rest of them are the stress of them. So watch this. Why if no know me have more gyal a road, how much 1, no 3, all 4 gyal a road me have rich. Beggy poor gyal a road. Every time me touch the street is like a night. Me have shop, stall and store gyal a road. OneKnock line up make we go board gyal a road. Who take care of me when we at home? No gyal a road. Who me? No run down gyal when me out there. One bag of gyal a run we down when we go there. Clean without a doubt. Here some gyal a shout say OneKnockTV them can't do without it. Light skin the black or the slim the fatter. It no really matter. We deal with the matter proper. Knock him at the dance, the dan, the dope. Me at the dapper. Put one pan lady Mackerel and she change her name to Mackerel. I'm Major Mackerel, man. They are with OneKnockTV. So what go on, Knock?
There, you know. How you doing, Major Mackerel?
Wonderful, you know. Whole heap of show here all over the world, you know.
So tell us about some of those shows.
Well, right now, you don't know Major Mackerel are the only Jamaican DJ. We have a Japanese album. So we go to Japan 2 times every year. We do Costa Rica, Colombia, Chile, Venezuela, Argentina, Suriname, Guyana, Canada, England, Europe, still touring the world, still doing a lot of shows worldwide. In Jamaica, a whole heap of politics in the music. Hard for me as a veteran DJ, or for any veteran artist get the music play on the radio, because they know the PO that thing, the money people. So right now the world global, the world big. So we just, not so we give up on Jamaica, but we just work wherever the world need us. And the world sure we say them want us, you know. For the politicians them were there in Jamaica in a music, and the people them were there we feel say them control the thing. We don't control some radio station, and we don't control Africa, we don't control the world. You understand me? I want to know that the music bigger than the whole of you. The music is richer than Donald Trump. It's richer than Bill Gates. It's richer than the richest man in the world. It's poorer than the poorest man in the world. It's wealthier than the wealthiest man in the world. So right now, this music here is our thing. It's not a sweet and sour thing. And no Adam and Eve and Noah thing. And no paint and shower thing. It's not a chicken back and flour thing. And our thing, and it's global. So we're all over the world. I mean, I tell the people them to give back Ninja Man in paper so them can start travel. Give back all of the artists them visa and them can start do what them do. You see me I say big up Sizzla Kalanji just get back in visa, beat them America, you know. Bounty Killer forget back in visa too. Popcaan forget in visa too. Busy Signal forget in visa too. The whole of the youth them to get back them thing and go out there and do them work. See? People them to understand this music is a mission and it is also a competition, but it's not a physical one. It's not a fighting competition. It's competition because artists have to compete. You can have one set of artists that travel and one set not travel. See? One set of travel and the other rest them on the gravel. Just give back the youth them visa, free them up for what them do. See? And you know, all who suffer, them suffer enough. But we are work and the work still goes on. And big up me DJ Alkaline. Me I know your fan Alkaline, me are your air conditioner. You are my DJ. Love you for life. You can trust me with your daughter and your wife. But your niece and your cousin and your sister them about no. I'm Major Mackerel, I say I want that. See?
So I noticed you mentioned something about nowadays artists and veterans like yourself.
Yeah.
Now, how has the music changed since your time in the music from when you just started?
Right now, no rhythm not play no more, a beat a play now. So the artists them now have no substance in them, no longevity. See, the music them dead in 3 weeks. 4 weeks them have to come with a new song to stay current. Now my days when you do 2 songs for the year, and your 2 songs connect. Them 2 songs they play for the whole year. You tour for the whole year. You tour and you go all over. Right now you have to do 2 songs per week. See, the difference with the music now and then, the music of today don't have the longevity in it. It still have the hype and it still have the substance. And when I blame the youth them for nothing, we don't more blame the producers them, the record producers them who are producing music. For example, him get one album put together. Him have Popcaan on it, him have Alkaline, him have Family, him have Beanie Man, him have Beat Bounty Killer, him have Major Mackerel, him have Bojo, him have Berries on the same album. But yet still them go to VP and them sell that album for 10 or 15,000 US. Seeing where the artists get, where the producer get, seeing where the people them will do the music get. Nothing in the music no more. The man them water down the thing. But at the same time, in our time, people used to say bad things about we as youth. So we still can't say nothing bad about the youth. Them a do them work. It's just the business people them behind the business and mess up the business. You see the company them know so the Jamaican producer them are some licky people then. Some people where them can't get anything and present anything to them. So what go on now, the producers them and the people them we do the business in the music and mash up the artists them career by recording 40 songs in a 2 weeks, have 5 songs released in a 2 weeks. There is no time for one get promoted. There is no time for people listen to one of them. There is no time for nothing great happen because too much songs are put out. But at the same time, you still have to love the youth then. Still have to love Alkaline. Still have to love Popcaan. Still have to love Family. Still have to love the original DJ them, Vibes Cartel them, the whole of the youth them, love all of them. Dexter Dab, seeing Black Man, you know. Munga and a Rebel, the whole of them brethren, Major Mackerel, love them and I love what them I do and I support them because the youth them keep me as a big man going. But basically the music water down in our way where it don't have no substance no more, it don't have no longevity no more. Artists come with one song and the song hit and you know, it play for 5 weeks, 6 weeks and then it dead and then the artist dead. You know, that's not right, you know. The youth them need original rubber dub. Dancehall music we never dead. We are playing in Europe, we are playing Trinidad, Costa Rica, Belize, Venezuela, Argentina, Panama. You understand me? Colombia. See in Trinidad, Antigua. See in Jamaica the music are dead. Rubber dub music are dead. But right now, the youth them I sing them song. And we have to listen to them and we respect them and we love them, but the flavor and the longevity of the music, it'll leave the business. Right, and there are some 3 weeks and 4 weeks music we have, we're not too good. See?
So would you say it's like Jamaica's fault, it's like that rather than an international level? Because as you mentioned, overseas they embrace the music a lot more than Jamaica in the sense that they listen to it for a longer period of time.
Yeah man, the other day me there at Japan and there's a ska party, me go ska and the selector we play the music at 22-year-old. Ska, rock steady, no reggae, no rubber dub. Ska, you understand me? So that means the music have substance but it's not being played in Jamaica. The real Jamaican music now play here is the dancehall music of what's going on right now. And sorry, just a dancehall because no way no name dancehall. No music no name dancehall. It's a place named dancehall. No music no name dancehall music. If you put the music in our church, the church is a dancehall. If you put it in the square, it is a dancehall. If you put piece of stick there, so one piece of stick there, so and circle it with some cloth and something that turn dancehall. So anyway, the music plays dancehall. There's no such music as dancehall music. It's reggae music, it named. See? We have rock steady. First we have ska, then we have rock steady, then we have reggae. I know them are trying to make one music named dancehall. You know, not no name so. Dancehall are one place where the music play. So me I say, so right now, we just have to still give thanks to all of the people that were in the music same way because anywhere on the go, that little old ugly man you're dead there we don't know, no, left me gone nowhere.
OneKnockTV. Oh. for those who wants to know where Major Mackerel is and what he has been up to, where can they find him?
Right now, them can find me on Facebook, you know. Major Garfield Dixon Mackerel. Major Mackerel on Instagram. Major Mackerel, you can call me. I don't look no woman, or one girl me have, and I don't look nobody. My number 1876-880-4900. All of the promoter them we keep them show. All of the man them we want real dub plate. All of the producer them we have some good rhythm and I look long jeopardy music. Holla at you nigga. It's me, myself and I, Major Mackerel, never die. Never would. Blessed love, one knock are the best of them. The rest of them are the stress of them and what left of them. Big up Bill Gates and him pocket. Big up Bill Gates and him money. And Major Mackerel say, Art of love, yeah?